This week has been nothing short of amazing, with a plethora of new AI tools and breakthroughs that are set to transform various industries. Let's dive right into the highlights and explore these cutting-edge advancements. First up, let's talk about Earth Copilot, a powerful tool developed by NASA and Microsoft that's making waves in geospatial research. Think of it as a smarter version of Google Earth. Instead of manually searching for geographical information, you can simply prompt Earth Copilot and get detailed answers instantly. Whether you need the population density of a specific area, air quality data, or crop health information, Earth Copilot delivers accurate and comprehensive results quickly. This tool is incredibly useful for researchers and scientists who rely on precise geospatial data, saving countless hours of manual data collection and analysis. While it's currently available to NASA scientists and researchers, the technology behind Earth Copilot could inspire similar tools that are open source and accessible to everyone in the near future. Imagine the possibilities for urban planning, environmental monitoring, and agricultural management with such an advanced AI assistant at your fingertips. Another exciting development comes from Google with their new AI model, Gemini EXP 1114. Currently available in Google's AI Studio, Gemini EXP 1114 has already claimed the top spot in the LM-Sci leaderboard, outperforming models like GPT-4 and Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Despite being significantly smaller, Gemini EXP 1114 delivers superior performance in various benchmarks, making it a powerful tool for developers and researchers. Whether you're working on natural language processing, machine learning projects, or AI-driven applications, Gemini EXP 1114 offers exceptional capabilities that rival much larger models. You can try it out for free on Google's AI Studio. I'll link to it in the description below, so you can explore its features and see why it's ranking number 1. Next, let's dive into MV Paint by Tencent, an AI tool that excels at generating realistic textures for 3D models. Whether you're creating a unicorn, a dinosaur, or any other 3D asset, MV Paint ensures that the textures look great from all angles, which is crucial for applications in games, movies, and virtual environments. Traditional texture generation methods often struggle with consistency and realism, especially when viewed from different perspectives. MV Paint overcomes these challenges with its advanced algorithms, producing highly detailed and accurate textures. For example, when texturing a fox model, MV Paint maintains the correct facial features and clothing details across all angles, unlike other tools that might add extra faces or distort textures. It operates in 3 main stages: synchronized multiview generation, spatial-aware 3D and painting, and UV refinement, ensuring that the textures are both detailed and consistent. The code and weights are coming soon, and they plan to have a comfy UI implementation as well. Keep an eye out for updates, and I'll link everything in the description below. Moving on, we have AutoVFX from the University of Illinois, an open-source AI tool that's revolutionizing video editing. Imagine being able to add visual effects or insert objects into existing videos just by typing a prompt. Whether you want to throw a basketball with fire towards a vase, melt a vase into liquid, or insert an animated Pikachu on a table, AutoVFX handles these complex edits seamlessly. It understands and executes intricate prompts with impressive accuracy, making it a game-changer for filmmakers, animators, and video game developers. The team has released part of the code on GitHub, and there's a Gradio interface on the way to make it even more user-friendly. Check out the links in the description below to try out AutoVFX for yourself and see how it can elevate your video projects. Next, let's dive into Instant IR, a remarkable image restoration tool that's open source and incredibly powerful. Have you ever come across a super blurry photo and wished you could bring it back to life with all its original details? Instant IR uses a technique called blind image restoration powered by a diffusion model to do just that. Whether it's sharpening faces or adding details to intricate backgrounds, Instant IR outperforms traditional methods like Real-Estrogen or Super in maintaining image quality and accuracy. Plus, you can guide the restoration process with text prompts, allowing you to customize the output to your liking. The code is available on GitHub, and there are Hugging Face spaces where you can test it out online. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to see Instant IR in action. Another standout tool this week is DimensionX, a free and open source tool that transforms a single image into stunning 3D and 4D scenes. Whether it's a portrait of a girl or a picture of a robotic arm, DimensionX generates a comprehensive 3D model that you can rotate, zoom, and explore from different angles. It's incredibly accurate in predicting depth and spatial relationships, although it still has to guess some aspects like the back of objects. Despite that, the realistic reflections and consistent textures make it one of the best tools available for creating 3D visuals from just one photo. You can download the code from GitHub and experiment with DimensionX yourself. Links are in the description below. Next up, we have Tria, an AI-powered drum beat generator. If you've ever tapped a beat on a table and wished you could turn it into a full-fledged drum track, Tria is here to make that happen. You simply upload your drum samples and tap a beat, and Tria maps these samples onto your rhythm to create a legitimate drum beat. This tool is perfect for music producers, beat makers, and anyone looking to enhance their music production process. Although the code hasn't been released yet, they have a Gradio interface available for you to test out the tool. Once they make the code available, I'll definitely provide a tutorial on how to get the most out of Tria. Check out the links in the description below to try out Tria and start creating your own drum beats effortlessly. Now, let's discuss Google's Jarvis, an AI agent project that was recently accidentally leaked on the Chrome extension store. Although it was quickly removed, the buzz around Jarvis is undeniable, with rumors suggesting that Google plans to officially announce it in December. Jarvis is designed to help automate web browsing tasks in Google Chrome, potentially assisting with booking flights, answering emails, ordering food, or conducting research for you. This AI agent represents a significant step forward in personal productivity tools, allowing users to manage their online activities more efficiently and effortlessly. Keep an eye out for more information on Jarvis, and I'll keep you posted as soon as Google officially announces it. Lastly, let's talk about Qwen 2.5 Coder by Alibaba, an open-source AI coder that's making significant strides in the world of programming. The flagship model, Qwen 2.5 Coder 32B Instruct, is a super tiny model with only 32 billion parameters, yet it can outperform much larger proprietary models like GPT-4 and Claude 3.5 Sonnet in coding benchmarks. This is incredible considering GPT-4 has around 1.76 trillion parameters, making Qwen 2.5 Coder 32B about 55 times smaller while still delivering superior performance. The Qwen 2.5 Coder family includes models of various sizes, from 0.5 billion to 32 billion parameters, making it accessible for different hardware setups, including tablets and laptops with medium-tier GPUs. It supports over 40 programming languages and excels at identifying and fixing code errors. Fully open source, you can download these models from Hugging Face and test them out yourself. There's also a Hugging Face space called Qwen 2.5 Coder Artifacts, where you can enter prompts to specify the app you want to create, and it outputs both the code and the final results in real time. This tool is perfect for developers looking to streamline their coding process and enhance their productivity. Check out the links in the description below to explore Qwen 2.5 Coder and see how it can revolutionize your programming workflow. Additionally, Johns Hopkins has made a groundbreaking advancement in the medical field with their development of a surgical AI robot. This robot has been trained by watching countless surgical procedure videos and using imitation learning to perform surgeries with the same skill level as human doctors. It can execute tasks like stitching and tissue manipulation with remarkable precision, matching the performance of experienced surgeons. This breakthrough has the potential to revolutionize medicine by providing highly accurate and consistent surgical assistance, reducing the risk of human error, and increasing the accessibility of advanced surgical procedures. While this technology is still in the research phase and currently being used by NASA scientists and researchers, the future possibilities are incredible. Imagine a world where robotic arms can perform surgeries with higher precision and success rates than ever before, potentially transforming healthcare and saving countless lives. And that's a wrap for this week's AI highlights. These tools and breakthroughs are just the beginning, showcasing the incredible advancements happening in the world of artificial intelligence. Let me know in the comments which tool excites you the most, and stay tuned for more amazing AI innovations in our next episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.